Hi my lovely people, it's Tonya and I'm back with another wig review. This wig review is brought to you by blackhairspray.com. So thank you Black Hairspray for sending me over this beautiful wig by Sensational. It's part of their Butter Lace line and it's Butter Unit 30. I have her in the color Balyage Caramel. The hairline of course is flawless, but I'm going to go in and pluck her out, make her look more natural. That way I don't have to use the baby hairs. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload new content. Also visit my TikTok and my Instagram. I'll post other pictures there. Also, don't forget to visit my other websites. I do sell mink lashes, and I also have a website where I sell wigs I'm no longer wearing from my reviews. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonya M and today I'm going to be doing another wig review. This is a synthetic wig review from the Sensational brand. The line is Butter Lace and I have the unit Butter Unit 30 and I have her in the color Balayage Caramel. I want to say thank you blackhairspray.com for providing me with this unit to do a review for my lovely viewers. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. As you know, the Butter Lace line from Sensational, it's a pre-plucked HD lace T-part unit. It is customizable because they leave enough space of spacing of lace for you to customize your units. That's exactly what I did. I made the hairline way more natural than when it came. It came more boxy, but I kind of like mapped it out. I mapped it out to make it look more of a natural hairline and I plucked it. That way I was able to wear it without baby hairs. It does come with baby hairs. And if you don't want to go through the whole like deal of plucking the wig and customizing it, you don't have to because this wig, the hairline was already flawless. I just like it to look more to my liking. It does come with a number of special colors. I personally like, they have it in here. Oh yeah, the chunky blondes. Chunky highlight blonde is one of my favorite new colors from Sensational. I went ahead and got her in a Balayage Caramel because Balayage Caramel is one of my go-to colors from Sensational. It's really pretty. It's a number 4 mixed in with some blonde highlights. It's really gorgeous. Definitely goes with any season: fall, winter, spring, summer. She's a natural like length unit, so maybe like a 18-20 inch unit. Love the color, the curls. Sorry, I love the curls. They're really like soft curls and it's definitely a lot of face framing layers in here. I really have no complaints about this unit. Like, she didn't shed before I initially took her out of the box. Doesn't really tangle because she's a good natural length, so you don't need to do any thinning out of this unit. This is going to be one of those units that lasts a long time. And if I don't secure her with like glue or hairspray, I can just throw her on and go. That's how fabulous she looks. Let me go ahead and show you the back. This is how she looks in the back. Excuse my son. I'll make sure to put the link to the unit on Black Hairspray and a link to their website so you can take a look. Black Hairspray has been along for a long time. I've been a synthetic wig wearer since like 2016, and this is one of my websites that I used to go to. I still go to. Like, if I know that when I'm looking for a wig, I know I can count on Black Hairspray to deliver great service, fast delivery, and whatnot. So I will definitely put the link to their website in the description box, along with any links that I mentioned as far as like my websites and my social media. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll be glad to help you or answer your questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. God bless everybody. Bye.